Good afternoon, Labella Basket Consultants. My name is Tracy and I'm the social media trainer for Labella Baskets. And today we're going to do a very short video on starting to create your personal fan page. And we're going to do a couple of these because I don't want to keep it too long because there's a lot that we can talk about in just page creation. So let's get started. Now, it's important to pick a category. However, if you get it wrong the first time, no worries. You can go into your admin section and go change that later, and I will show you how in another video. But for today, we're going to choose artist, band, or public figure. And here's a reason why I picked that just for today. Because if you're going to choose, if you're not going to choose a specific niche like just working locally, which then I would use the local business or place page right there. I like the public figure because people do business with people they know, like, and trust, and not companies. And this way, this allows you to go outside of your local area, and then you can network and have business all over the country and any other country that Labella Baskets is in. So I'm going to move down to a public figure. I'm going to choose the public figure as my category. And I'm going to put my name in here, and I'm just going to say Tracy E. And I'm going to agree to the Facebook terms, and I'm going to hit get started. And what it's going to do is it's going to take me through setting up with a profile picture and a description and whatnot. Don't worry if you don't do this right now. You can do this as we get in, and I'm going to show you it's a little bit easier from the admin panel than it is from this section in case you want to change things. So I'm just going to go ahead and skip this. And as soon as Facebook thinks about it, you can upload from your computer a Facebook profile picture, and we'll get into picture sizes, but I kind of want to show you from the Facebook fan page to do that. So we're going to skip all this completely, and we're going to get to this, and this is what your admin panel is going to look like. It's going to be empty, and it's going to tell you how to start setting things up. And if you've not done this yet, I recommend go ahead and reading this and doing it step by step. But I'm going to show you the page that I've created, and it is right here. And so I've already added the pictures in, and I've already done a post, and we'll go all into that. See, there's the post, and it says I joined Facebook. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on this really cool little edit, and we're going to go to edit settings. And this is what's going to look like. And I recommend over here to the left is all your links to edit all your settings right here. Take a little bit of time and go through each one of these, okay? And we're going to go into getting the pictures done right now because I'm going to come back in here for a second video, and we're going to talk about optimizing your page so that when people are looking for a certain keyword, they're going to find you. So let's go back over to the view page, and this is what we're going to see. And you can hide this or you can show this. I like to hide it because it gets too busy sometimes, and we can talk about that a little bit later. Okay, so here's your cover photo. This cover photo needs to be 851 by 315 pixels. Now you can do it a little bit larger than that. However, what's going to happen is they're going to ask you to reposition the photo, and you might not get everything in there. So a really good point of reference is going to a couple free tools called Pixlr, and that's pixlr.com. It acts as a free version of like a Photoshop or GIMP, but a little bit easier than that. Or you can go to PicMonkey, which is picmonkey.com, and you can actually make your pictures the exact size, 851 by 315. And then you'll go in here and click on Change Cover, and it's going to ask you if you want to choose from the photos you've already uploaded, you want to upload a brand new photo, or you want to reposition the photo. Now what I like to do about this, you guys have an amazing company. So a lot of folks with a, let's just say, a regular brick and mortar business, they probably wouldn't change their cover photo, but your cover photo is an excellent opportunity for you to tell somebody that's going to your fan page what kind of deals that you have, especially because you guys are, you're all year round, so you have seasons. So, I chose Mother's Day, as you can see here. So people can see, maybe you have a special going on, but just make sure, because there are some Facebook terms of service, and you can go check that out, Facebook terms of service, that you are not allowed to have your domain name in this picture. They will shut you down, and you cannot have any more than 20% of that picture being type in there. So you can do call to actions now, you can do arrows now. Before you couldn't do any of that stuff, but you can do that now. Just make sure you don't put your domain name or your website name or your URL in that. Okay, next we're going to the profile picture. Now the profile picture can be a little tricky. It actually uploads as a 125 by 125 pixels, or depending on your where you're getting your pictures fixed at, or 160 by 160, but it is actually 125 by 125. But you have to upload it as a 180 by 180 minimum, otherwise they're going to tell you your picture is too small. So you'll have to go in and play with that a little bit. I actually uploaded this as a 160 by 160 and it told me it was too small. It cut off my picture a little bit, but it still looks pretty nice, so I'm kind of happy with that. Okay, and so now we get down over to the tabs. Tabs are a great way for you to get some more people that you can, capture their email addresses and their phone numbers, and we'll talk about that as advanced strategies as we go along, but for now, don't worry about that. But the tabs themselves are 111 by 74 pixels, and you can go back up into your admin section and go into your edit page and into your edit settings, and you can go and add your pictures in there and add your tab names, and those are what we call apps, but we'll cover that in another video. Now when it comes down to posts, when you do a brand new status and you want to upload a photo or a video, you click this tab right there, or that link right there, and then you're going to upload those pictures as 403 by 403 pixels. You really want to engage your fans by including videos and very big bright pictures. Again, using PicMonkey is perfect for this, and adding even a red border or a colorful border is going to make your picture stand out and draw the eye to your fans, especially if you have something to say. Also, just make sure that when you do a status, especially when you have a picture, make sure that you have no more than about 160 characters. That includes spaces. So you retain engagement, because people don't tend to read after that. If you also have, let's say you add in a URL, and we're just going to just say youtube.com. Here's what's going to happen with that Facebook status. See how cool that is? It's going to pull that up, and then I just go in and I delete that, because now I want to use my 160 characters. I want to use all that real estate that's in there. So that is how you get started with starting your page and adding to your page. We will get into another video here shortly. We're going to go into the admin section, and we're going to go link by link and show you how to add information in there, which will help you get found in Facebook for people looking for your keyword search terms, and that way you can start growing your business today. This is Tracy. Thank you again, and we'll talk to you soon.